There are objects at the edge of the observable universe that shouldn't exist. And right now, as you watch this, every major cosmologist alive is trying to explain them. Nobody can. JWST found them 2 years ago. They're called the little red dots. And what makes them impossible isn't one thing. It's 5.
The universe has a speed limit for growing things, including black holes. To become supermassive, the kind that anchors entire galaxies, a black hole needs at least 1 billion years of feeding. The little red dots were already massive when the universe was 500 million years old. That's 3% of its current age. That's like finding a fully grown adult in a photo taken 3 weeks after conception. They were enormous before they had time to be. In our galaxy, the central black hole makes up 0.2% of all stellar mass. In the little red dots, some central black holes account for 30% of their entire galaxy. It would be like if your heart weighed 90 pounds. They shouldn't exist, and yet there are thousands of them. Not one telescope having a bad day. Webb confirmed it. Hubble confirmed it. Multiple independent teams. Same answer. The proportions are catastrophically wrong.
We're only halfway through. If this is breaking your brain, good. Subscribe. It's free. And drop your best theory in the comments. I read every one. Theory 1. They fed at impossible speeds, matter falling in faster than physics allows. Theory 2. Direct collapse, clouds of gas becoming black holes without ever forming stars. We've modeled it. Never seen it. Theory 3. Primordial black holes, born in the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang, before any star existed. Every one of these theories, if true, breaks something we thought was settled. The universe isn't wrong. We are. When a black hole feeds, it radiates across the full spectrum. X-rays, radio waves, the works. The little red dots blaze in optical light. And in X-ray and radio, almost nothing. It's like a fire giving off light, but no heat. The energy budget doesn't add up, and there's no physics that explains why. One theory? They're wrapped in gas so dense it swallows the X-rays before they escape. Hidden monsters. And if that's true, there could be thousands more, ones we can't even see yet. Here's what makes this the strangest discovery in history. The little red dots appear everywhere in the early universe, scattered across the period when the cosmos was young, dense, and doing things we don't have math to describe yet. If primordial black holes seeded these objects, if they existed before the first stars, then the universe didn't start with light and gas and slowly forming structure. It started with monsters, already waiting. And we've been looking at their descendants every time we pointed a telescope at the sky. Every unsolved mystery in cosmology has eventually become a door. Dark matter, gravitational waves, the cosmic microwave background, all anomalies first. The little red dots are the universe telling us something. We just don't speak the language yet. We built a machine, launched it 1 million miles from home, and pointed it at a patch of sky the size of a grain of sand. And the universe blinked back. If the little red dots turn out to be primordial black holes from before the first stars, what does that change about how you think the universe began? Drop it below. I read every one. See you next week.